Hey friends, hello and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to share to you on how you can reset the Windows security of your Windows. So in some cases that the Windows security is not working fine or is facing some issues, and resetting the application or the Windows security can help you in fixing the issue. So let's go quick into the process on how we can reset the Windows security. So click on the start button and then go to settings. In the list of options on the left pane, you have to go with apps. Then click on installed apps. Wait for all the applications to load. Then type here security. Now click on system components. Then you will find Windows security. So click on these three dots and then select advanced options. Now background component permissions, make sure that that is not never. It could be always or power optimized. Then scroll down and you'll find repair button that's under reset. If the system component isn't working right, we can try to repair it. The system component's data won't be affected. Click on repair. Now after you click on repair, you can proceed on clicking the reset button. This will permanently delete the system components data on this device, including your preferences and sign-in details. So click on reset. Now once done, you have just reset the Windows security on your Windows. You can also directly search for security in the Windows search bar. On the right pane, click on App Settings. Then the same window will appear. So just again, simply click on Repair button. Then click on Reset button and then Reset button once again. So once done, once you have reset the application, just simply make a right click at the start button, shut down or sign out, and then make a restart of your Windows. So that's it. So I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos and tutorials. Thank you for watching.